is a drive shaft from front drive shaft for the BMW X5 E53, and the spline was like still good, but I had to cut it because prevent it from broke on the road right here. So this is a new one right here, and I just weld it and then pan it. After you're done, you have to use this rust protection. It's pretty good. It's like rubber, and then around here, and you measure exactly before you weld it. What you do, put this through this pipe right here to the axle, and then measure exactly 30 inches from here, like there, from there to here, exact 30 inches. Otherwise, a little too short, a little too long. You want to measure 30 inches because you want this spline right here go all the way through the transfer case. Here, the original one is how short it is, about 1 inch, and then go only half inches, and then always strap this right here. And what I'm gonna do is put this here. I have this another one here. I cut it. It was like this, and I just cut it to make it spacer right here, because I couldn't find online the special look like this, so I cut it. I got this another one from the junkyard here. And you put the 3 shim right here, a washer, the metal washer, put between this right here. 1, 2, 3. Each. So you need 9 metal washer. This side right here, the washer, you have to buy exactly washer, not every washer. That's exactly what you need right here. I don't know if you can see or not. It's a 10mm washer, metric, I think, 10mm washer. 3 each. Then you go right here, go into like that. This is long enough for it. That's why I have to use this Loctite right here. And again, this is, you need to measure exactly 30 inches before you weld it, this one right here, and then spray with the rust protection. Here I show you exactly why you need 30 inches before you weld it. Right here you don't have room to put in here. Oh, very difficult to take a picture, so I do the best I could. This is 2 inches spline right here. See? Go all the way like that. Oh, I think I have some. When I weld it, there's some debris. Oh, okay. So, but I have to put the lubricant, thread protection, anti-thread lubricant. And over here again. See, when you pull it out, you don't have room. This boot right here has to go in the middle. There's like in the middle. Called center. What is this? Center flex spline or something like that. Yeah, it has to go in the middle of this hole right here. When you take it out, you don't have much room right there. When you need it, some guy they just weld permanently. That's I'm not my way of fixing the car. So I have to cut exactly when I want to remove. Just play a little bit here and right there. I have to do both hands. One hand couldn't make it. Very little room. That's why you have to cut like exactly 30 inches right there. Okay. So put prevent from dirt or rust to get in. Otherwise, the next time you take, it's gonna be very rusty. Now, when you buy this spline right here, you have to buy from somebody who experienced from eBay. I just bought the wrong one from some idiot selling this piece right here too big, the same size as the Driveshaft, so you cannot put in here. You cannot go through. I had to return it, take 1 week to get. Don't make mistake like I do. And this right here, see? That's it. Now, it's easy to put this. Like join right here. See very well. Where is it? There. And then pull this one. Just hold like that. Just like that. See there. Okay. Okay, just that. And that exactly what you need. Thank you very much. Please subscribe. I'm very new to this community. Thank you very much.